In an AC circuit, voltage leads current by 90 degree. The circuit element is most likely. Right option is B, capacitor. The self-inductance of a coil depends on. Right option is B, number of turn and permeability of core. A choke coil is used in an AC circuit to. Right option is C, oppose change in circuit. In a transformer, power is transferred from primary to secondary by. Right option is A, mutual index. The turn ratio of a transformer is 1 ratio 4. If Np is equal to 200, the volume of Ns is. Right option is C, 800. In a step down transformer, the secondary voltage. Right option is C, is less than primary voltage. The efficiency of a transformer is maximum when. Right option is D, copper loss is equal iron loss. The phase difference between voltage and current in a pure inductive circuit is. Right option is C, 90 degree. The average power in a purely capacitive AC circuit is. Right option is B, 0. Which electronics component allows current to flow in only one direction? Right option is D, diode. The depletions regions in a PN junction diode act is. Right option is C, superconductor. In a PN junction diode, the barrier potential for silicon at room temperature is approximately. Right option is D, 0.7 voltage. In a Zener diode, the breakdown occur in. Right option is B, reverse bias. The main purpose of a rectifier is to convert. Right option is B, AC to DC. The filter circuit in a rectifier is used to. Right option is B, reduce ripples. The transistor is primarily used as. Right option is B, an amplifier. The energy of a photon is directly proportional to its. Right option is B, frequency. The photoelectric effect provides evidence for the. Right option is B, particle nature of light. De Broglie wavelength of an electron is. Right option is B, inversely proportional to its movement. According to Bohr's models, electron cannot exist in. Right option is D, non-stationary state. The series in the hydrogen spectrum that lies in the infrared region is. Right option is C, fast chain series. The half-life of a radioactive substance depend on. Right option is D, nature of the substance only. The unit of active of a radioactive source is. Right option is C, becquerel. Alpha particles are. Right option is B, helium nuclei. Gamma rays are. Right option is A, positively charged particles. Inductive reactance increase when. Right option is frequency increases. A transformer has 200 turn in primary and 800 turn in secondary. The turn ratio is. Right option is B, 1:4. In an AC circuit, current lags behind voltage by 90 degree. The circuit contain. Right option is C, inductor. If maximum current in AC is 10 ampere, then its average value will be approximately. Right option is C, 6.37 A ampere. Subscribe for more knowledge. Thank you so much.